Well, hello. Welcome to my channel. Returning subscribers, thanks for coming back. If you're not a subscriber, I hope to earn your subscription today. Today's video is about pairing Google Messages, which I use for SMS messaging and RCS, the chat features, and pairing that with my other devices. Now, I carry at least 3 devices. And those devices, of course, are primarily Microsoft Surface Duo 2, fingerprint magnet. That's where all my messages are. But sometimes I have the Duo 1 in my hands because I use this thing every day just to stay in touch with it. And I've got this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I carry this thing for multiple reasons, camera, and I can move my SIM card back into it as 5G should something happen to my Duo. So I might want to be able to respond to messages here or create messages. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pair messages from this device or on this device from this device. So sit back, give it a watch. It's a quick video, it won't take you long. It's a very easy process. All right, we have Google Messages open, so let's initiate our pairing. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see the ellipse. That's the 3 dots. You need to select that. Menu will drop down. Then you need to select device pairing. On this screen, you will see a web address. So the device that you wish to pair, you need to open up a web browser and go to that web address. Once you get to the web address, you will see a QR code, and we're going to need to scan that QR code. All right, so we need to touch, or I'm going to click the QR scanner option. That will bring up the scanner pointed at your QR code. Boom, you're set and you are done. Okay, back over at the Samsung device, you'll see this Add Messages to Home screen. Just give that a click and you're going to see an icon created on your desktop. And we'll look at the desktop and you'll see up here a blue icon that looks exactly like your Messages icon. It's got the little edge icon in it. Okay, it opens up and there are your messages, just like if you were using Google Messages. Enjoy. Okay, I hope you found that useful. If you did, thumbs up. Give it a share. Let other people know. Hey, finally, how about subscribing? Love to have more subscribers. And you can hit a notification, I guess. It'll let you know that another video has been uploaded. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you come back for more.